Hello everyone, today's video content is analysis of the real questions of the Salesforce AI Specialist exam and explanation of relevant knowledge points. The following test questions are all from our question bank, and they were updated on October 18th, 2024. Exam overview. Exam outline. Question 1. Universal Containers wants to enhance customer interactions using a generative AI model while ensuring supervisory review. What should they implement? The knowledge points of this question are: human-in-the-loop integration. This means having a human check or approve the AI's decisions before they're finalized. It's useful for ensuring that important decisions are accurate and follow company policies, especially in situations where AI might make mistakes. Next, let's take a look at each option. Incorrect. This option suggests reviewing prompts before they are used, but it doesn't provide real-time human oversight of the AI's actions. Incorrect. This relates to automatically filling fields with AI but doesn't involve supervisory review or customer interactions. Correct. This ensures that AI-generated outputs are reviewed or validated by a human, which is exactly what is needed for supervisory oversight. Question 2. Which type of data is retrievable through the Einstein trust layer to ensure data privacy and security? The knowledge points of this question are: Einstein trust layer for data privacy and security. This feature helps keep data safe when using AI in Salesforce. It includes things like hiding personal information, logging what the AI does, and reducing bias, all to make sure sensitive data stays protected. Take a look at the options. Incorrect. While these are important privacy concepts, they are not specific data types retrievable through the trust layer. Correct. The trust layer logs how models perform and ensures sensitive data is masked, aligning with privacy and security goals. Incomplete. This only covers user logs, but the question asks about ensuring privacy and security, which requires more comprehensive data logging. Question 3. How should universal containers integrate information from multiple objects into a report for proposal generation? The knowledge points of this question are: data merging for reports. This is about combining data from different Salesforce objects into one report. You can use special templates that pull information from multiple places, helping you create a full picture for things like business reports or proposals. Take a look at the options. Incorrect. While merging data is important, this option doesn't address dynamic or flexible reporting. Incorrect. Although prompts can link objects, this option doesn't directly solve the problem of creating integrated reports. Correct. Flex templates allow dynamic reporting by pulling data from both standard and custom objects, making them the best option. Question 4. What information is recorded when track conversation data is enabled in Einstein copilot logs? The knowledge points of this question are: Einstein copilot data tracking. When this is turned on, Salesforce logs everything you do with the AI, like what you type and what the AI replies with. This helps improve how the AI works and lets you review conversations if needed. Take a look at the options. Correct. This option aligns with the typical logging of conversation data for review or auditing purposes. Incorrect. While useful, click-through data doesn't address tracking full conversations. Partially correct, but not as complete as A. It mentions input-output data but lacks a time frame or detailed logging scope. Question 5. If a company's existing data masking protocols do not meet the necessary privacy standards, what should the AI specialist adjust? The knowledge points of this question are: data masking protocols in AI. Data masking hides personal or sensitive information when the AI processes it. This helps keep privacy intact while still letting the AI use the data. It's especially important for following privacy laws. Take a look at the options. Correct. This is the best way to fine-tune masking protocols to meet privacy standards. Incorrect. Sandbox environments are for testing, not live data, so this wouldn't address privacy standards in production. Incorrect. This is broader and may help, but it doesn't directly adjust data masking, which is the main issue here. Question 6. After masking sensitive fields in the Einstein trust layer, what should be verified? The knowledge points of this question are: verification of masking rules. After setting up data masking, you need to check that the hidden information doesn't mess up the AI's output. This ensures privacy protection without reducing the quality of the AI's responses. Take a look at the options. Correct. It's crucial to verify that data masking doesn't degrade AI responses while still maintaining privacy. Incorrect. While you can update rules, reactivating masking is not necessary for verification purposes. Incorrect. Resetting the trust layer is unnecessary for verifying data masking accuracy. Question 7. Universal Containers is using a generative AI model hosted on an external platform. How can they link this model to their Salesforce environment? The knowledge points of this question are: AI model integration with Salesforce. This is about connecting external AI models to Salesforce. You can use connectors or APIs to bring in AI models hosted elsewhere and make them work smoothly with Salesforce's system. Take a look at the options. Correct. The LLM connector is specifically designed to link large language models from external platforms to Salesforce. Incorrect. While API connections are possible, this is not as seamless or specific as the LLM connector. Incorrect. Faust, Salesforce Model Bridge is not a common tool for linking external generative AI models. Question 8. What could explain sporadic token limit errors when generating fields dynamically in a Salesforce app? The knowledge points of this question are: token limit management in AI. AI models break down what you type into smaller pieces called tokens. If you go over the limit, the AI can give errors. Knowing how to manage this ensures that prompts don't get cut off or cause issues. Take a look at the options. Correct. Token limit errors often occur due to how prompts are structured, as different inputs create different token counts. Incorrect. This tool doesn't exist, it's not a valid option. Incorrect. This helps build actions, but it doesn't validate user utterances. Question 9. How can Salesforce record data be securely accessed during generative AI prompt creation? The knowledge points of this question are: secure data access in AI prompts. When using sensitive data in AI prompts, it's important to secure the data through encryption and safe protocols. This keeps the data protected and ensures that only authorized people or systems can access it. Take a look at the options. Correct. Secure data transfer ensures that sensitive information remains protected when used in prompts. Incorrect. While encryption is important, this option doesn't fully address the secure access protocols needed during prompt creation. Partially correct. Dynamic retrieval is useful, but it better addresses the need for secure protocols during AI prompt creation. Question 10. What Einstein copilot feature helps sales reps save time when drafting follow-up emails by using past communication data? The knowledge points of this question are: Einstein Copilot for sales automation. Einstein Copilot can help sales teams by automatically creating things like personalized emails or summaries based on past interactions. It saves time and helps reps focus on more important tasks. Take a look at the options. Incorrect. This feature is more about deal discovery than drafting emails. Correct. This is the specific feature designed to help reps draft emails based on past communication, saving time. Incorrect. While useful for summaries, this option doesn't directly involve email drafting. Question 11. What security feature helps defend against prompt injection in the Einstein trust layer? The knowledge points of this question are: prompt injection security. Prompt injection happens when someone tries to trick the AI by entering harmful or misleading prompts. You can prevent this by cleaning up or filtering inputs before the AI processes them, ensuring the AI only responds to safe and valid prompts. Take a look at the options. While it sounds like a useful feature, it is not specific to preventing prompt injection attacks. Correct. This feature cleans inputs before they reach the AI, effectively preventing prompt injection by ensuring only valid inputs are processed. Incorrect. This is not a specific feature or tool within Salesforce. Question 12. A company wants AI to automatically generate posts about recent product updates. Which tool would help them do this? The knowledge points of this question are: automated content generation. This refers to using AI tools to automatically write content, like blog posts or product updates. It's a quick way to create content without needing to do it all manually. Take a look at the options. Correct. This tool is specifically designed to help create content like product updates using AI-generated prompts. Incorrect. This is more for testing models, not for generating posts automatically. Partially correct. But A is more aligned with generating product update posts automatically. Question 13. Before creating a prompt template to generate fields dynamically, what should the AI specialist check? The knowledge points of this question are: dynamic field generation in prompts. This is about using AI to create fields or forms on the fly based on what users need. You just need to make sure the system's API and token limits can handle it, so everything works smoothly. Take a look at the options. Incorrect. While checking token limits is important, this specific API version is not required for dynamic field generation. Incorrect. API version 59 is not directly related to dynamic fields. Correct. Activating dynamic forms is essential when generating fields dynamically, ensuring compatibility with the feature. Question 14. Which model type should be used to predict customer churn and help retain clients? The knowledge points of this question are: churn prediction models. These models predict when customers are likely to leave your service. By analyzing customer behavior, businesses can use these predictions to act early and keep customers from leaving. Take a look at the options. Incorrect. This model focuses more on retention strategies rather than predicting churn. Correct. This model is specifically designed to predict when customers are likely to leave, making it the right choice for churn prediction. Incorrect. This model predicts contract renewals but doesn't focus on customer churn. Question 15. Which tool should an AI specialist use to validate user utterances before deploying a custom copilot action? The knowledge points of this question are: validation of AI user utterances. Before letting users talk to the AI, you can test their inputs to make sure the AI understands them properly. This helps prevent confusion or mistakes when the AI responds. Take a look at the options. Incorrect. This tool doesn't exist, it's not a valid option. Incorrect. This helps build actions, but it doesn't validate user utterances. Correct. This tool is specifically used to test and validate user utterances to ensure proper understanding before deployment. If you have any questions about the Salesforce AI Specialist exam, please leave a message in the comment area or contact us directly. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.